One shot. I mean, my wife do that type of thing. What gives us sleep? Sleep. What's up? Oh gosh, Brittany, you don't call my phone shit bag, so you come from my live and address me. You can't address me because you don't shout me, so nobody will the fuckery, my friend. You understand? What time I fuckery? I'm not that sure, man, so me fuck. So me fuck when we run up like one bananas there. That your woman keep me fat and happy. Me there, man, me there. One go well. A little reasoning we don't know about this catfish activity on the internet. You understand me? If you stop. Can remember one time when me get catfish wicked, you know. Nobody never get catfish wicked and pretty, you know. Big pretty, you know, my friend. Yeah, guy look like pretty if you fall in love. Girl full pretty. This ask me. Eh? Teacher, you know what I'm call you to come on keep a party at Philadelphia in a March. Someone may chat about that. Yeah, it's serious. The catfish thing. Remember then the girl tell pretty and big things and say, oh, yeah, girl are gonna look for pretty, girl say, oh, pretty. But buy ticket already from March for your birthday. Then the time the girl even know me yet, you know, my friend. I say, yeah, girl. Oh, you're so nice, you're so great. You see me, I say, you know, hold off. Boom, when the birthday come, and the girl, if you come here, be nice, the girl tell me, be excuse, be a plane left him, plane run out of gas. Me I say, what the blood clot is, fuel get fucking on the plane. Me I say, what the blood clot, what? Fuel, plane get fucked. Me I say, what? Me get all pitched in the airport, me say, you know, say that girl are cool. Them girl are cool. You look like so long time the girl take a picture from when the sun did a shine in Canada, my friend. You see me, I say, you know what? Ray, auntie, them girl play some tricks over a phone, them the girl with the sweet voice, and then when you see them in a blood clot real life, a fucking girl in shape like Sineal. You see me, I say, alright, my friend. So why me I bring this topic up now? Just because this catfish thing now stop. A big fat so thinking ugly shape but bumbuckle and make a girl them when nobody no want. Them have a prettiest voice. Them voice nice. Them the girl can work a call center. You see me I deal with nice. And at them, you see give them number and you talk to them. Oh, yeah, when them call him baby, it's different from when anybody say baby. You be like, oh baby. Them for them baby different. You see me? The big ugly thinking girl. And I say, alright. Make we meet. And the big fat thinking girl, yeah girl now. I don't like to take pictures. I like to see you in person because I'm like that. I don't trust people with pictures. That's alright, girl. See, we did that chat on the phone, they know a sweet voice, girl. The girl tell you some blood class sitting. The girl tell you say, yo, John, I'm a freak. I do the nasty shit then. You see me, I did blam. Me I say, pussy clot, foot a chimney. Me I say, yo, Jaja, look at this. Me I say, that girl are well freaky. Some shit when the girl tell you how teeth, you say me bumbuckler, then me how teeth so. Girl tell you everything in a book, my friend. Me I tell you say, what? You say, what a girl nice. You say, all you must look good in person. You see me? Boom, you feel me if you thinking, girl. Me a see bumbo clad, big blood clad, idiot, K-foot, bumbo clad, special K, bumbo clad gal. I walk a come to you. You say them kiss me ass. Kiss me ass. Them kiss me ass. Are you, all this time? Are you the behind this blood clad telly? I can tell me all of these things. Me not trust the parrot, you know. You see me? That's why when you call me bird, me have to know you personally. You can't give me no talk when you call me parrot, you know, my friend. Me know how you look. From one say they put me parrot to talk to me, that means me know how you look. You see, pray. You see this a big thinking blood class somebody I walk up and yes, kiss. You say, God Almighty. My God. You know, going like you're real Charles, isn't. That's why you never yet tell them the correct thing when you have on. Just in case. You see? You see me? You can't fish the real, bro, God. See me? I mean, I say, yo, when you sit down, you know, I am mad something thing, dog. I say, yo, I can't the girl let me dip on the phone and talk to. Me and tell you say my own stiff 24/7 for that girl, you know. As that girl text me phone or call me phone, me tell you say my boy jumping out like dumpling. You see, pre? And me tell you say my bumbo clap me see in real life now. Me I say good as. Mama, what you shape like? You shape like a Sunday cone. You shape like a bumbo class Sunday cone more. You don't know how my mouth is not very much lovely, you know. You shape like a bumbo clad Sunday cone, mama. You shape like a Christmas tree. You see me, dude? What the fuck? Eh? We do like a bumbo clad foot them. You come like a penguin. What the bumbo clad, you friend? Where me I go with you? All of them things the way you hold me ears as hostage. That I first thing. My friend, don't do me that, my friend. Me asleep on you. You want me to tell you why, my friend? Oh no, yeah. All I want me say on the phone, me say it before me know you look so. You see me? I mean, whoa, fuck, I'm human. We're not gonna go on like the brave on the man. You see me? I'm not brave on the man, brother. You see me? I'm not ready to flex. I'm not ready to flex. You see me? I would turn up them time. You see, with them on the phone and you tell me, say, yo, you got my balls and everything that suck. I'm dead and rare and tear. I'm if you bust off in your mouth and everything. Yeah, move out and jumping. You see me swell up like dumpling. You see me I deal with, yeah. But no, mama, me see your bumbo claw look so now, mama. Come on, man. You look like when you put the Christmas tree and everything. Come on, mama, you look like one honey man on the tree. You understand? Come on, my friend. You see, alright, give the box it, me have to take you back. I am going to take back my talk because me never did know how you look. Because I saw on the stair. On a trick people nowadays. On a trick people. With a little visor. Oh, yeah, say, girl. You know, you like, I should talk soft, you know. Hello. Oh. You gotta talk soft. You gotta say, oh, you gotta turn on money there. You gotta say, hello. You hear me? You gotta talk soft. You talk soft. You tricked me. You see me? You misled my mind for construct you. You see me? So, right now, when me look on the pray, you trick me bad. And then, right now, when me see you in front of the face, I can't believe. You see Facebook or YouTube or Instagram, suck me up. Big man. One of them one people thinking bumbuckler nasty make a gala. Thinking filter, suck your mama Snapchat. Big man thing. I make my weed. You feel bringling up. Hey, look, more show and pray. We can't trust on the bed. You see me? I'm talking about thinking about blood clot Facebook and thinking about Instagram. Thinking about blood clot Snapchat. Make me tell you this. Me so now about things that make a girl get all slim and big, so I thinking blood class what a girl. Slim. Cut down to size. Bully 15, walk up and cut nice. You say bum buckler and get out. You see me? You say bum buckler. You know me the fuck it. You see me? When you buck up this blood clot nasty girl in real life, you say, cause special care. Where the bum buckler you go? Where you go? Yeah, other you me call. Me never send call this. You misled me. I am not easily misled, but I am misled right now. Fuck. Eh? What is Snapchat? You have another thing. A complexion. Bill. You see, Bray? We out here. And I look on them thinking, make a mumbuck like girl burger. You see, Bray? Listen, them some girl take pitch down. Them caramel like buttercream. Is it buttercream, Merrick's caramel, like, you know, frappe. Yeah, that's what that is. Yeah, one of them, you know, smoothie. Yeah. Oh no, Snapchat. All when the girl then blood clot, rough like pussy clot road. Blood clot face coming like a junction. Uno make it blood clot smooth. Then you have them whole heap of girl with the whole heap of filter there, you know, we years I talk sovereign. We are general. We out here smoke weed. We not to pray nothing. We don't see a one flick. Picture look up still. And yeah, chat so soft and thing. Mama, me see in a real life. Me fi sue you. Yeah man. Yeah man. Me feel like that thing that we start run. You see me? Me fi feel say we fi start sue. Because enough of this a go on. All for the man them side. You understand what I do? Enough boy I use filter. You see me I do it? Enough of them gather. Let me tell you. Enough of them gather a freak. Bad too. Wally. Enough. Dirty freak. Me not tell them about a lesbian freak. Me tell them about deep on that. You see me? Girl want your fist them in a them blood clot hole like Mike Tyson. You see me I deal with? You rough up them crutches. You see me I deal with? Beat up them passage. Just a rev out that. You see me I deal with? Freaky. Some of them girl want you use all close spin. Catch on on him bumbo clot nipple. Squeeze him. How? He pussy will be the ball. He a ball. Yeah, say well, watch it, yeah. You see me? Enough of them want you to bust off all the blood clot electric wire off I fucking tree there. And touch him. Hey, I don't know something where girl want to. The girl them and them here the girl them want mislead you. They want tell them things, you know. They want construct you. Yeah. Let me have to show you something new. Yeah. Shock me with the light wire and thing. You see me? God, they got a light that, you know. New things they want try. Touch him on him, titty they put the tool like a blood clot, light wire. You forgot. You see me I deal with? Zap him. He like them thing that, you see me? You say, oh, them thing they appreciate. You see that girl she has some different thing. So you say, oh, that girl her mind so deep. Oh, she go so deep down in that thing. When you buck up on this, your blood clot, chaka body girl, you say, Jesus Christ. You say, yo, bumbo clot. No wonder you're going to make me DNA in there again. You would not make me fist in your hole. Shock you with light wire for your titty nipple. Just because you chaka body, you know nobody don't want you. You see me? No bumbo clot body don't want you. So, you go on Snapchat and size in your blood clot self. When you look for you, you say, yeah, decent girl. Put on your little filter, them and you go on. Then you come with a little soft voice, but oh, you want electric out, and you want me strongly up. You want me fuck out your wall and beat it head with all kind of stuff. You say, blood clot, cool girl. Girl, you want me tear off your face in a zinc fence. You say, Ross clot. This a girl a tear off my mind. You see me? When you buck up this your blood clot, chaka chaka thinking girl has a bumbo clot. Yes, sir. You can't even cuss it. Yeah, man. You can't cuss it. You could have left go buy some ice cream. Carry this fucking. Hey, look here. Don't fuck with pretty. You understand? When you buck up on this, I think in blood can get I say, hey, are you? So make you do that. You have to ask him. You have to look at yourself. You have to say, oh, make you do that. Oh, you rich by this. Eh? I said, hey, Miss Moore, you figure out jail. This a whole heap of fucking criminal activity out there, so. Eh? Mr. Mama, for me the one rapist. We rape them type of pretty slim body gal where you mislead me if you think you are. And me go out of my way, rent a van, get my virgin them, go in at the place, get sitting if you knock you out. All of them they sitting there when me reach, yes up. Are you me see? Oh, that to the end, mama. Oh, that to the pussy clot end because you waste the whole of my bumbo clot time. You waste me gas. You waste every fucking thing. Right now, you still are going to beg me even more ramen noodle. Me I tell you, you are going to beg more ramen noodle. You see, bro? You see this a chaka thinking girl I am. You regret everything when you say to this a blood clot girl I know you as a ras clot. As a Jenna. This you reached, you know. Good general, you know, my friend. This you reached, you know, coffee. You see, Bree. You reached to this, you know. No! Don't look for me as a Jenna and pray me as that. Pray me so me get tricked by a blood clot cranny body girl. Cranny girl. Bad man no mix up with no cranny girl. Some girl smell like the bottom of the barrel. I want them. Some girls smell like El Shasibi. Big up Tifa. But me a tell you dog, a tricky girl. I know how we get tricked. You understand what we are doing? And if you stop. Man, you understand me? Uno blood clot girl. You see all you Snapchat? I'm sorry the fucking day they invent you. Hey! You don't know how good looking nowadays, yeah. You don't know how good looking virgin. Me I tell you that straight. You have to say, yo, Jano. Brother, you need a magnifying glass. If you're looking at them girl, your blood clot face nowadays, my friend. You see, bro? And one day you buck them up in a real life, my friend, you still have to use a shovel and dig off your whole eye makeup off of their face, my friend. They blush. They cover girl. All of them, my friend, Mac. All of them. Huh? When you look at them, your blood clot girl, you have the sweetest thing, you have to tell you up on the phone, send you some bad text. Oh, they want goggle your balls, them and suck off everything. Oh, you get some, hey, you know what I mean? Sometimes you hear about them things, then you get ready. You see, bro? You gotta tell you how she want to deal with the hood there. Yeah, you get real ready. And I say, whoa. You already want to slide in and bumbo clot mouth and I say to yourself, say, hey, Jenna, hold it there. Because the girl want you braid it, you know. What the fun line up in my friend. You understand me? Yeah, when you buck up this real girl in a real life after you all tell your woman lie. Big lie. Plan all for count this a thinking blood clot girl when you see this you chaka molly thinking blood clot girl you say what? What? Eh? After me have strawberry and whipped cream in a room girl. Me even did a plan for name my own a woman pussy and me could name fear with whipped cream. And I saw you look. After you tell man how much blood clot freakiness I go on and sit. Oh, you go warm up my balls them with my lighter and suck them. Eh? All of them, eh? Good as. One thing. Disappointment, my friend, is not a good thing. You understand? I regulate the rich people. And if it up, because Instagram and YouTube, not Instagram, you know it. They want to filter, yeah. The girl, they want to size up them body. You fuck at them and take off 200, 300 and 400 pounds off of themselves. How are they, man? Yeah. What? Rascal. Let me show you a thing, my friend. You see that this time of year we are fucking living a dog. The girl them around competition with the other girl them. Some girl lose and here all the girl them get the man them now, the freakiness. Under the big chaka chaka thinking blood clot Christmas tree by the girl them. And them out here do fuckery. Mr. the girl them was shape like this. It was Santa Claus visit every fucking 26 and put a present underneath it. Them are the one, believe me. Mr. Then get up and then chew their nose and then fucking chaka chaka and then bomb. Somebody having us pray for them in a God. Big man thing at Christmas time. This thing off the top. It off it done. Because look here. What here? Crystal buck up this a girl now. This blood clot girl. Fat and sour. Big. At first, Crystal did not know this girl was sour. Because when she made fisting first, you know, I call the girl fisting because, listen, I'm going to get to why I call the girl fisting. But for right now, listen. When she made fisting a talk sweet on the phone. Me say, Crystal, fisting is what? Fisting a Jamaica or fisting is a Yankee? She said, well, fisting a Jamaican mommy and him born a foreign. You understand me? Mr. Ross Cloud. Mr. Alright. See where it go. She said, well, he gonna say, yo, oh, she's very kinky and rare and tear. And she put a rat trap on the nipple and feet. Because when the rat trap Lego, he clamp on the titty and then in Lego he made a rat trap. And he had a rat trap clamp on the other nipple, you know. I mean, I said, kiss me ass. Why that fucking pity without punishing? And then the girl said, he used all blood clot tears up on his clitoris. So, this is a girl like wickedness. So, I saw now, fisting go set the Crystal. Yeah, fisting. The Crystal. Crystal. I like to be fist. You see me I do it? So that's our time. Yeah, you go to bam. Put in 2 fingers. Then you slide in 3. Then 4. And then you work in the 5 there, and then you clasp your hand like this. Make a fist. And thump him in and hold up the hand. So Crystal said, my God, me have a voice note. God kill me when I'm here tell. Me have a voice note. God kill me. When the 2 of them attack, me not lie. Me not lie upon them. I show. Me not lie. Them traumatized Crystal. Crystal have to make a voice note and say, pretty, my God. Me say, you want to say, when Crystal said pretty, the girl a 5'12". Me say, rascal, 5'12". That long one. You see, come here, 5'11". Me say, what? Crystal said, I'm a 5'12". Me say, rascal. And he stout, bad, very stout. And me I say, me bumbuckler. Mind you, make I tell you, Crystal is about 5'4", 5'5", 5'4". So, she's very short, small. Crystal is very small, very, very small. So imagine this blood clot polar bear now. One little Crystal. 50 and hold it. Me say Crystal Dede, Crystal Queasy, Crystal can't go. Me say Crystal, you have to quiz this child. And ask him about this fisting thing because you understand? Because he's sour. You understand? Big and fat. And then you want somebody to jump in your hole now, walk go left. I be a big giant. You understand? Eh? 5 foot fucking 12. And you want to accept from Bumbuckler, little Crystal. Look from Crystal. When me look from Crystal, I have to say, hi Crystal. Eh? Go Crystal. Look for little Crystal. You are going to throw down your big mom self pan. Eh? Huh? He's wicked. Fucking wicked. Boy. Serious. All because Crystal meet this girl on Instagram. Instagram, why you don't stop this? A time for you stop this now, Instagram. I beg you. Stop, man. Fuck. Stop make them size down themselves and them little thing there. Huh? Stop to take a picture of them so because you have some fat people with maga neck. Them a fool, you know. Fat people with maga neck. Me I tell you. And a fool, you know. When you see them in a real life, you're a surprise. You can't believe it. Eh? My God. This is not normal. A human being that feel like they can come give me sweet voice and they want me to know on a shape like turtle. Me can't bother. Yo. Listen. Alright, turtle body girl with the pretty voice. Me glad for you. Show people so on the shape like one carton box now. Stop the fuckery. Because when you see it in a real life, we're not traumatized because we remember some things that we say, we want to fuck out on a tonsil and them things there. You see me? I could know you, man. You understand me? Enough generals out here. I get caught up in this situation. You understand? Listen. And I tell you for pussy, my friend. You understand me? It's just the fact that Crystal not even wanting the pussy. Crystal was looking for a little friend. You understand me? When you come with no visit, all of a sudden you want to get your whole thump in and nobody never call that. Nobody never call that broken. You see me out here? I mean, hey, you without the picture. Go suck your mother youth. See pray. Yeah. You're one of them fake pages in the night that oh. Oh auntie in the night. Come for. Oh auntie in the night. Come for it. Come for it in the night. Come and make you understand in the night. Where's the post one? Talk out your thinking mouth. Where's it? Come now, register your mouth. What happened? Come. Let go your throat. What happened? Where it is? Who forget the block? I don't want to block it. Come register your thinking throat right here, sir. Come back. Where you there? What? You look a fuck pet. Look a thinking STD infestation. Hey, so good. What you do for my blood clot live? Eh? Why you not go visit the blood clot pharmacy? Your medication not drop yet and you not no money. You broke. What the blood clot you do for? Come off of my life, shit bag. Come off. But kiss me rascal. Come on. Come off. Come off my life, shit house. Look at this kiss. Mirrors. Come off of my life, shit house. Nasty thinking bumbuckler drunker. What? Hell no, I can't. I'm not gonna. Come on, bitch. You gotta fucking move. You feel me? What the fuck? Is you a fucking idiot or what? Get away. I don't wanna hear from you no more, bitch. Hmm? Huh? Who this? Lizzie? Lizzie go flick up and chuck up in your suck out dash up one buckler belly mama. Your mama belly coming like one blood clot cemetery. You know sister no wanna come out after you blood clot parasite. You know sister broke your thinking wall mama did broke why she never dash for your dirty blood clot wall. Hey dirty girl, where you do on this alive you shit horse? When you are do on this alive you skirmish? Where you do on this alive you thinking blood clot self up girl? Dirty hole, where you do on this blood clot live ya? Ah, two dirty girl, where you do on this live ya thinking hole? Where you do on this live ya? Ah, hole that in your thinking face, dirty girl. Move, shit house. You dash your belly like a dog. You feel like you're thinking, mama, that's a killy belly them so. Where you come over here for blood clot near Penn Cemetery? Where you do over here for blood clot near Penn Cemetery? Me call you? Me blood clot call you over here so? Eh? Oh! Hey, come on from my life, oh. Leave, oh. Hey. Come on, just all you on a while ago. Pussy interrupt my eye. I don't like that, you know. You know it going on. We have it, you know, we love it. How I'm going? Up, water chop. Go right there, I push out the pussy there for them casket early now. What's so hard, what? Damn love we so 10 puffy me and then the pass. You know that Christmas looks great with God's willing. Yeah. Cause without God the thing can't nice, you know. It can't nice without God. So here what? Yeah, the Christmas look very nice with God in it. Yeah. Yeah, daddy, them in a pass me, me pass it. I don't have to be time again, dog. Me pass it, brother. I don't ramp with the thing, dog. I don't love weed more than me, dog. Lord Michelle, me no want sell pussy like you, Michelle. So nobody can come offer me no work, dirty girl. Me no want stand up and corner and sell pussy for 20 US. Thinking pussy, Michelle, look here. Me not look STD if you buy a blood clot goodie. So if me jobless, me STD less, girl you sell fucker, you still no live no blood clot way. Michelle, you whole stink like girl STD, the way you have a infest in the whole blood clot place. I you need to go blood clot talk about and come off of me live. Come off of me live shit house. Come off, you feel me? Yeah. Get off. What the fuck? What's up? Do you believe in magic? Come in. Look out there. Up and up. What's it want? You have the light? You know it's gonna have a fix it. What the price I come from a while ago, man? They were rise from everywhere. Oh. Hmm? Where thank my wife? Yeah, how she love you? Hmm? Yo, only listen, I don't want to wait. You know there's some eggnog, well, eggnog with liquor in there. You know the Christmas egg already, my friend. Eggnog. It's a white Christmas. It's school on. Alright. She asleep. You don't notice them spliff the water. Come on the blood clot belly mouth. You see? What me use for my face? You know there's more while me rub one cream on there and sometimes, you know, my friend. Cause me no know, me no dedicate myself to bleaching. And when me see cream I feel like it. And my face get well rusty around them body. Cause you don't know, so my birthday I come up so me I try it, you know? Clean off your face. Yes, I love you too. Yeah, dog. Come eat, man. Me sell the cream, you know. You know, some did upstairs. What me do to them? Cook some brown stew pork and dumpling and banana. It's yam, sweet potato and thing. You see, please, stew pork. Bad. Cause I love you cooking, you know. You see it? Well, yeah. Oh, brother, grandma is a must, man, when I leave these things. Oh, dear, man. Yeah. Brother, I see it. Want to grab over my arm, dog. It's like a joke thing, bro. Like, and I've told you. See? It's like $5 pack, you see me? That one you have in olive in the set here, you see, bro? That one you almost full. We just never did rate that pack, yeah. But still, because some people come here and body that they will rate it. So you know them here, we rate this red ring. You see, bro? Them gonna pull it $1 for them in, bro. Got GG. You see, bro? GG grab a butt. You did not, you don't come for it. Grab a bun and chew it. You're mad, man. I can't smoke with it out, grab a. Mad. It have to lick my head like a hammer, man. You see, bro? Yeah. If me a smoke my herbs and I not taste my grab a night, dog, it's like upset. I have to roll it out. I say, oh, Jaja, no. Grab a. Have you have up the grab doll? Have you get piece of leaf? You see it? This guy, you know, go, bro, God. Yeah. No, I tell split up with my cough, my friend. Yeah, I tell me my cough, you fuck. More while the time you have to smoke and like, I'm a weed now, have you know, only for grab on that get blood clot. And you be a blood clot. Tears in the dark. Yo, one split but my cough for this until, yo, Jaja, me no burn the ital weed. Big man thing. That nearly kill me already in the dog. Yeah, man. Kill me. My cough so till, make me can't breathe, bro. God, you mad? Me not know that, bro. God, my good. Yeah. Yeah. I every jam a weed piece of grab off your slappy in my nerves. You see, bro? Yeah. Yeah. That's why I ever have my, you see it? Ever have my scissors. But yeah, I'm telling my friend, man. I'm not telling him, man. I'm going to live, you know. Yeah, so I'm not going to do some joke, man, right now. Yeah, I mean, I'm pissed up, man. Pussy clear. You have gaga sleep left for the daddy.